この番組はご覧のスポンサーの提供でお送りします。
I pull it like that,
Yeah.
Second one, third one. Kanan pergi masuk sini,
Okay.
then put here, one, then put here. Done.
I start already nervous.
Relax.
Really.
You take a deep breath.
Shaking
It's so shaky.
because the master is standing right here.
Yeah.
It's like principal there.
So we are at Teratak Setiawan. We have Haji Abu Zah here.
Hello, yes.
Hello.
This feels so fancy.
Thank
I
you.
don't
How do you fold this?
Yes.
Like,
No,
is this a normal
It's like,
towel?
I don't know.
No, it's
Yeah.
It's just our napkin.
I'll just leave here lah.
It's very nice.
Yeah, it's very
Wow.
nice. Nowadays you only see Kelupis when someone like
Buy-
up, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, nowadays you can see Kelupis in Teratak Setiawan.
The best one you can have.
I'm trying to see the color, the taste of the pandan, the lemak of the santan. Yeah. Yeah.
It's very nice.
Yeah.
This is chicken curry.
Not just
Try out the curry.
Wow.
very nice.
Different level.
Oh.
Wow.
Yeah.
Maybe
Some
is
elders.
it a Bruneian thing?
Yeah,
Sometimes
yeah.
it's good, right?
The thickness of the curry
Mm-hmm.
goes well with the santan flavor in the
Yes. Yes. Chicken curry and the fried noodle I cook. Yeah. So
This one you cook.
Yes.
Ah.
Nervous because I cooked it.
Smells good.
Sounds good. Okay.
Mm.
Let's try.
Yeah, this is normal mee goreng.
Wow.
You'll try to flatter me, is it?
You want to know how good it is?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Come now and try. Teratak Setiawan opened officially in March 2020, running the homestay, Airbnb, and also private dining. We started with our Ambuyat private dining. We kind of get a lot of queries on, I'm not really an Ambuyat person. That's how we kind of introduced our high tea private dining as well.
So how many rooms do you have?
We have 3 rooms available for you to rent. Tourists like to come over and experience living in Kampung Air.
Yes.
Yeah, and the environment of Kampung Air is something that's unique itself.
The interior here are amazing.
Yeah.
The idea of it is kind of a balance between Malay and modern architecture style.
How many people actually you guys cover that?
For our bed and breakfast, it's comfortably 6. For dining, it's 10 maximum. Yeah.
Yeah. Do you have any words to tell to the audience when tell them to come to Teratak?
Yes, if you'd like to come and experience private dining experience. It's all home cooked and home based cooked and food, and we try our best to get the best ingredients and whatnot and as fresh as possible.
So yeah, if you want to experience how to make ambuya, how to make Kelupis, enjoy some nice food, or experience the culture,
Yeah, you can check out our Instagram.
yeah, check out the Instagram.
and contact us to make a reservation today. Yeah, so looking forward to host you all.
Definitely come
Thank you so
to
much.
Teratak Setiawan.
Yeah.